This is Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 3 Review. Let's talk about kinds of workers. Takuma, what kind of worker do you think you are? I think I'm a team player. I like the camaraderie of working with others. For me, I also want autonomy. Freedom to work in my own way. Yeah, I understand. I think I'm a little risk averse, though. I don't like big changes. Me either. I'm careful about taking risks, but I want to keep learning. That's important. I also think you're a bit altruistic. You always help other people. Thanks, I try, but I'm not someone who shies away from responsibility either. That's great. For me, flexibility is important. I don't want every day to feel the same. I agree. And what about compensation? Do you care about money? Of course, but it's not the most important thing. I want balance. Sounds like we'd work well together. Okay, cute.